Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video is another product review, and the product that I'm going to review, guys, is my perfume, the perfume that I'm using as of the moment. And yeah, but this is my first time using this perfume, guys, and I just bought it a few weeks ago, and I've tried using it already. And yeah, so this is, as I've said, this is my first ever perfume review, and this is also my first time using this perfume, guys. Usually use Ralph Lauren as my perfume, daily perfume, and then I tried switching to Versace, and then I also tried, after I used the Versace, I tried also Tommy, and back to Ralph Lauren again. Then I want to change again my perfume, my scent, so I switched to this one now as of the moment. It is also at Dolce Gabbana, the one, and also if you haven't, and also I also tried the lotion, which I made prior to this video. I made a product review about the Dolce Gabbana also lotion, and you may want to watch it. But before that, let's discuss about this one. It is Dolce Gabbana, the one. It's still the one, guys, and it is. I bought this one a few weeks ago, and yeah, look, it's only until here now, actually here, but now it's here. I use it often. I use it daily though. This one is 50 ml, guys. I'm not sure if you can see it. So it comes out. I did not unbox it. I forgot to vlog when I was unboxing it. But yeah, so it comes in here like this, guys. It has a very sophisticated container, as you can see. I like the container. It's kind of nice. It's a bit gold here, and you can see the transparent here. You can see the perfume already, and yeah, the brand is here, Dolce & Gabbana, the one. And yeah, so I did some research before trying this one. I also tried the tester, and it's kind of nice. And yeah, but before buying the product, I also did a research, guys. I will just read it for you. So this product is made as it was envisioned by designers. The one is a fragrance for an exceptional woman who instantly draws attention, not only with her looks but also with her manners, pose, and inner world. This fragrance, like all of the fragrance of D&J House, is a fragrance with character, special and alluring. It is oriental floral, fruity composition, and is very warm and sensual with powdery vanilla trace. The color of the fragrance perfectly matches its tone, and the composition opens with softly fresh mandarin, bergamot, lychee, and peach. The heart is thin and balmy, with the notes of jasmine, lily of the valley, and white lily, which graciously intertwine with the fruity touch of plum and vanilla. And the one was created in 2006, so it's kind of new perfume, guys. It's 2006. I mean, founded in 2006, I think. Yeah, that's what it says. But yeah, and before I will review about this product, I also read some other consumers' product review, and this one is come from sunshine_J. I'll just talk about the other consumers' review, guys, before I say something about my own review. So I found this one. It's from Sunshine J Bird, and she said it's kind of new, guys. She said it. She posted this review on November 26, 2020. So she said, "I got this perfume and I am unsure what the hype is all about. I feel it smells like an old lady." That's what according to Sunshine J Bird. "And I got no sweetness from this at all, just old lady floral. I wore to work one day and got compliments, but unsure how. It did last a good bit, I'll say that. Definitely won't purchase again." Okay, so that's what the negative review. And there's one more. I will read one more. "To me, this is a nice scent with zero tartness whatsoever. I cannot smell the citrus for the life of me. If you only like tart perfumes, then this ain't the one for you. The initial spray smells of peach, vanilla, and musk, yet it dries down to musky vanilla with a hint of amber. Another smell I can compare it to is an original flavored bubblegum bazooka, and however it is sophisticated, not in a bad way though. So that's smell 14. That's the bad review, guys, I've read in the comment section. Yeah, so since I just used it like few weeks ago, so it's kind of new to me. So yeah, I'll do my review now. So I usually sprayed it here, guys. I'm not sure if I'm doing it right though, but yeah, in my wrist also, so it smells good, of course. So I usually do like this, and yeah, the same as the one I did with Perfume. I also do the same, and usually put here and then here in the wrist, and then here also in the behind my ears. And yeah, so I could feel it's, but it is just my honest review, guys. I could feel it smells very good. Vanilla, I could smell also the vanilla, the lily, but I cannot smell. This is not so strong. I should say this is not that. The perfume is not strong. I mean, it kind of reminds me of a jasmine also. Yeah, when it comes in your nose, when you smell it, it's not strong. I mean, like, there's a lot of perfume that when you spray it, it's like you get dizzy because it smells so strong. But this one is not. And it smells in a calm way. I'm not sure if I express it well. I put it before going to work, and then I did not put it again when I got home here. The smell still stays there, and when I wash body after from work, I wash body, and I could still smell the trace of this perfume. So approximately it lasted like 6 in a day, 6 to 8 hours. That's what I've observed. That's why this perfume is long lasting when you put it. And I don't agree with the comment that it smells like an old lady, but yeah, for me it smells good. It doesn't smell like an old lady. It smells sophisticated because it's not strong, and it's not really drawing attention. It's more like a sweet smell. Because some perfume also is like drawing so much attention because it's too strong, but this one is not strong. It's calming for me. I feel calm when I put it. I smell it. It smells so refreshing for me. It gives my mind calmness. But yeah, I agree with some of her comments that it's not really citrusy. I don't smell the citrus in it. I mostly smell vanilla, lily. And what else can I smell? Like a daisy maybe. But yeah, but the smell is sweet, floral, like in the garden, like fresh from the garden. It's like when you buy a bouquet of flowers. It smells like that, guys. But the smell is sophisticated. It doesn't smell like an old lady, but I don't really know how the old lady smells though. But yeah, so yeah. This perfume is really good for me. It's good, guys, but let's see if I can finish this one. I actually love sweet smell. I love it when it smells good and when it's sweet, but not too sweet. There's also lots of perfume that are sweet, like very sweet, and I don't like it so much. This one is just neutral. It's not so sweet. It's not that strong. And it gives your brain calmness. So if I may allow to compare the Dolce & Gabbana, guys. So I've tried Ralph Lauren. Guys, this one. And I also tried Versace. Perfume, guys. And compared to this, I also tried Tommy, but I only used one bottle of Tommy Hilfiger. I did not buy again. I just don't know why. I just want to try new perfume, new scents. The one that I mostly tried is Ralph Lauren. I have this scent for like a year, and then switched to Versace. And the smell of Versace is kind of good also, but it's more likely like guys. When I use it, it smells like I'm fresh from bath. That's what I thought. And Ralph Lauren is sweet. And it's kind of more. The smell of this one is kind of sweeter than compared to Dolce and Gabbana. If I'm going to compare, this one is kind of sweeter compared to this one, and this one is not that sweet. It's kind of strong for me, but the Versace is kind of strong for me, and Tommy is also kind of strong for me. So I don't. But yeah. So I'm going to stick with this perfume first, Dolce and Gabbana, guys. So that's just a comparison, guys. If ever I've tried also Chanel. I've tried but I did not buy it Chanel, guys. But it's kind of expensive also, Chanel product. But I'm not sure if I should buy it. But maybe I can try because I've also tried the tester of Chanel, and the smell also lasted very long, guys. But yeah. So this one, the Dolce & Gabbana lasted like 6 to 8 hours, the scent, even though I bath. And Ralph Lauren didn't really last long for me. Versace also is kind of good if you want to smell fresh. I usually use the Versace, guys, when I'm going to the gym, so I'll feel so fresh going there running. And also before and for my daily use, I use Ralph Lauren. But as of the moment, I stopped using them because I'm trying this product and focusing more on this product, the Dolce and Gabbana. I hope it helped you guys if ever you want to try Dolce and Gabbana, or also if you I just did some comparison, guys. So if ever, because it's kind of hard to tell product without comparing it to another product. I mean, without comparing the smell, it's kind of hard to because it's my first time reviewing a perfume, guys. So it's kind of hard to review it without comparing it to another product. But yeah, so I'm not sure if it's really good if I compared it, but I hope it's okay. But yeah, so this is just to give you an idea, guys, if ever you want to try those products. Yeah, just to give you an idea also. And yeah, and also if I may add, and because I tried also using the lotion of Dolce and Gabbana, the same brand, guys, and it's the same also. It's the one. I tried using the lotion. The lotion is more sweet compared to this one. Yeah, the lotion scent is more sweet compared to this one. But this one lasted longer compared to the lotion. The lotion will just last like a few hours, maybe like 3 to 4 hours for me. And yeah, it will still blend with the sweat. But this one is lasted like 6 to 8 hours, circa 6 to 8 hours, guys. That's what I observed. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you'll get updated every time I have a new product review or a new upload. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and have a great day, everyone. Meow meow.